Damaging winds affect nearly everyone, nearly everywhere. In fact, damage from severe thunderstorm winds account for half of all severe weather reports in the lower 48 states. That makes wind the #1 reason to recommend GAF shingles with Layer Lock technology. When installed with the required combination of 4 qualifying GAF accessories, your GAF shingles with Layer Lock technology are eligible for coverage under the Wind-Proven Limited Wind Warranty, the industry's first wind warranty with infinite wind speed coverage. To offer your customers the Wind-Proven Limited Wind Warranty on GAF shingles with Layer Lock technology, install these shingles along with 4 required GAF accessory products. That's 5 GAF layers designed to work together for maximum wind protection. And there's no cost or need to register the Wind-Proven Limited Wind Warranty. Here's why we're confident enough to offer infinite wind speed protection. Layer Lock technology and the Strike Zone nailing area enable a dual-phase shingle-to-shingle seal. First, DuraGrip sealant pairs with a smooth microgranule surface of the Strike Zone nailing area for a fast tack. Then, an asphalt-to-asphalt monolithic bond cures for durability, strength, and most importantly, exceptional wind uplift performance. When you offer the Wind-Proven Limited Wind Warranty, your customer gets outstanding wind coverage on their GAF shingles with Layer Lock technology, plus the peace of mind that comes with a premium GAF roof system. And you get to look forward to rave reviews and more great recommendations. Give your customers the protection they need by installing a roofing system engineered to endure. Offer the GAF Wind-Proven Limited Wind Warranty today.